Hi everybody and welcome back to another crochet tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make an invisible seamless join, because as we usually finish off our crochet work, we make a slip stitch here at the end, and this leaves a visible knot. In order to avoid this, we are going to learn how to make an invisible stitch. So we're here, we cut the yarn and pull the yarn, then we insert the yarn in the needle, and now we are going to go here where the chains are, and we're not going to use the chain stitch, but we're going to pass under both loops of the first half double crochet stitch here, and then we're going here at the last stitch under both loops here, and then we're going to insert the needle in the chain stitches, and here it is, and here it is, and then we're going to go back here and make a knot. And then we're going to pass the yarn here once, because we want to hide the yarn, and then again here, and it's done. As you can see here, we have the invisible stitch. Then the other way is always we cut the yarn and pull up the yarn. We use the needle, but this time we're going to pass under the first stitch here from inside this way, and then we're going to go down here and insert the needle under the back loop of the last stitch, and that's it. And then again we're going to go back here and make a knot. The third way is similar to this one, but we can use it when we don't have needle, etc. So we're going to use a smaller crochet hook. So this time we are going always under the first stitch here, and this time from inside towards outside we yarn over and pass the yarn, and then again we insert the crochet hook this way under the back loop, but this time it's towards us, this back loop and yarn over and pass the yarn this way, and it is the same effect, same look. It has the same look of the previous. So thanks for being with me. Till next time. Bye bye.